How do I unlink my current EA account from my PS4 and link a new one?
Hello there. Today we'll be walking through the process of how to unlink your current EA account from your PlayStation 4, PS4, and link a new one. It's an important process if you want to switch accounts or have just acquired a new EA account. We'll go step by step, so don't worry, we've got you covered.
Why would I want to unlink my EA account from my PS4?
First things first, you might wonder why you'd want to go through this process. Unlinking an EA account from your PS4 can be necessary if you've created a new EA account, perhaps to start fresh or because your previous account was compromised. Or perhaps you've mistakenly linked the wrong EA account to your PS4. Regardless of the reason, this guide will help you sort things out.
How do I unlink my current EA account from my PS4?
To unlink your current EA account from your PS4, follow these steps. 1. Go to the EA website. You will need a device with a web browser, like a computer or a smartphone. 2. Log into your account. Make sure it's the one currently linked with your PS4. 3. Go to the Security tab. Here, you'll see a section called Connected Accounts. 4. Find your PS4 account on the list and select Disconnect. 5. Confirm your choice. Please note that EA may need up to 72 hours to process the account disconnection.
How do I link a new EA account to my PS4?
After you've unlinked your old account, here's how to link your new EA account to your PS4 to 1. Start up one of your EA games on your PS4. You'll need to be logged into your PSN account. 2. You'll be asked to log into your EA account. Since you don't have an account linked, use your new EA account details here. 3. Follow the prompts and log into your new EA account. 4. Once you're logged in, your EA account and your PS4 account will be linked. Please note that the process may vary slightly depending on the game. So there you have it. We've just gone through the process of how to unlink an EA account from a PS4, and then how to link a new one. It might seem complex, but take it step by step and you'll have your new EA account linked to your PS4 in no time. Thanks for watching, and we hope this guide has been helpful to you.